What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Somebody and I'm really excited because I just unboxed my Canon EOS R6 camera. It's my first mirrorless camera, my first full frame sensor camera, and I am so excited to try this thing out. I did a quick unboxing video, you can go check that out, it's linked below. And in this video, we're going to check out the RF 15-35 f2.8 L IS USM. They need some more letters than that. We're going to check out this lens that I bought to go with that camera. This video is going to be primarily an unboxing. I don't know what all is in here, probably not a lot. This will be a quick video, but coming up in the future, I'm going to do some comparisons of using this lens on the R6 compared to the camera I'm shooting this with, which is an EOS 90D with an EFS lens. So this is a crop sensor camera versus a full frame sensor camera. So we'll do some comparisons like that coming up in a future video. All right, I'll quit talking about it and let's just do it. There ain't nothing to it but to do it. What we got in here? Limited warranty card. Excellent. Wonderful. Everybody loves warranty cards. And interchangeable lens instructions. We don't do that. Ooh, look at that. There's a fancy, handy dandy L series lens case. Wow. Better come with fancy things like that. This thing was ridiculously expensive. I think I bought a Sigma lens one time that came with a little case like that, but yeah. And here, this looks like the lens hood. Let's get it opened up here. Yep, this will be the lens hood that just snaps on to the end of the lens. There she is. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. This is my first L lens as well. First thing that I can tell you is this thing is pretty heavy duty. It's not excessively heavy. It's roughly similar to the Sigma 18 to 35, I think it was, f1.8 lens that I bought and only used for a little while and then sold it. But it seems very adequately weighted. Several little rings here. And I am not familiar, like I said, this is my first mirrorless camera, first time using an RF lens, so I'm not really sure what all the rings do. I think I read somewhere that you can select in the camera body what the different rings do. So this one obviously is our focal length. This is a 15-35, and then these other ones I'm not really sure of yet. This one's got some click to it. The one right there under that red ring. And then you've got your lens cap. You know what I'm going to need? This is a 82 millimeter filter diameter. I need to buy a UV filter. I put them on all my cameras. There's one on this camera here. Kind of protects the glass if anything happens. If I'm filming outdoors, if somebody spits on it, you just clean the UV filter and the lens stays pristine. Probably also going to buy a variable ND filter. That way if I want to take this thing outside, I can still use it with a wide open aperture without washing it out. This is an autofocus lens. It is a stabilized lens. It's supposed to work really well with the IBIS system. I'm just going to go ahead and put the lens hood on, even though I don't have a filter or anything. There's a red dot on the lens here and on the hood. They should just line up, I would think. And then turn it till it clicks. So there we have the lens hood. And that's it. Quick and dirty. That's all you get. I mean, you know, give us a whole bunch of money. We'll send you this kind of heavy lens and a bag. That's going to do it for this video. It's very quick, just what you get in the box and kind of my initial take on it. I'm super excited to put this onto the R6, charge the battery, and throw a memory card in there and start recording because I've just been very excited about getting this here. If you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button. I like it when people hit the like button. You don't really have to subscribe to the channel. It's understandable if you found this video because you're looking for camera stuff, because I like cameras, but I don't really do a lot of videos about cameras, at least not yet. I'm gonna probably do some more though. Go check out my channel, check out the kind of videos that I make, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in the next one.